All right, we're just putting together this garden box. It's black and metal. It's gonna look really good. It comes with all the pieces that you need, like this, and then the screws and the tools, even gloves to protect your hands. So we've just put these 4 panels together here, reinforced with this bar in the middle. And then we're doing the same on this side, putting the bar in right here and putting these 4 panels together. And then we've already put that edge on. So we're gonna keep going and see how it looks when we're done.
All right, has these middle pieces. This is gonna help give the structure more stability because it's gonna attach the 2 sides, so it's gonna hold them together. Just like how the end pieces are kind of helping with that. There's gonna be 3 of these bars going across from each side, so it's extra sturdy.
All right, we've got 2 of those bars in. We're putting in the 3rd, and then once that is in, we'll finish this corner. The corners are super easy. You're attaching it to this corner piece, and then we're almost done. All right, we've got it all set up. We're gonna move it to the spot we want it. It has an open bottom, which is nice to help grow roots. And it definitely was helpful to have 2 people, but we're gonna put some soil in it and see how it goes. So you can see, compared to our old garden boxes, how shallow those are and kind of warped. So this is much deeper, and I think what we'll do, instead of just putting soil straight in it, we'll put some roots and trees and some things to help be at the bottom to not only fill up the soil, but to also nourish the soil. So we'll probably put in some stumps and some things like that to help the soil. So once we've got that in there, we'll plant flowers, and it's very sturdy. You've got these bars in the middle that are gonna keep it sturdy. We still have to finish putting in all the screws, but it's reinforced really well. And it took maybe 40 minutes to put together, but definitely is helpful to have 2 people.
All right, they also come with these little pegs that you can make sure that it gets stuck into and stays in place. So, and it has one for each corner and for the 2 sides that has holes for that, and then we'll keep it nice and sturdy and safe. And then it will hold up to 269 gallons of soil, which means that with 2 feet you can get all of your deep-rooted vegetables. So really you have a lot of ability to kind of do whatever vegetables you want, because you have the depth to get them nice, deep-rooted. Also, the height of this, you can sit on a chair and be able to do it, so it's going to keep you from having to bend way over, so it keeps your knees and your back nice. And then the galvanized steel will last a long time, so great product.